Okay, friends, let's jump directly to the question and answer. Question number 191 says, how should the head of the P3O overcome the barriers of the lack of focus of the full P3O model? Option A, build a vision and the business case. Okay. Option B, develop minimalistic process with tailoring guidelines. That can be possible. Option C, address the culture challenges through a targeted communication. And option D, gain acceptance of component offices delivered in a trenches. Now again, try to understand the question, how you gain the confidence your management or support subordinate are having a restraining things. They don't want it to come up with the change. So how you gain that? So there are support and enabling function. If you can start with that first, and slowly and gradually you can do a restraining or assurance function. So you gain acceptance of the component office delivered in trenches instead of full-fledged implementation. You can go with trenches, gain the confidence, deliver the result, and slowly and phased manner you can implement the full-fledged. So I believe D is the most correct answer. Yeah, it is, which is an important factor when working in a distributed model. Function role work in the same location, that is not distributed one. Use of sophisticated tools and techniques, that can be possible. Effective communication via informal portal, that again the correct thing can be possible. Staff physically located to ensure cohesion, that's not a distributed one. So B and C is the correct, but most correct I believe C is the most correct in terms of the communication factor. So C is the correct answer. Yeah. Which factor does not affect the design of the P3O model? Challenges to the current culture? Yes, that is correct answer. Organization, PPM, maturity? That is not the correct answer because it's affect the design. They ask which is not affecting. So I believe A is the correct answer. Geography, design, again it's not the correct answer. Size of the organization is not the correct answer. I believe A is the most correct answer because they ask negative way the question. So let's see, yeah, it is the correct answer. 194, which is not a functional role. So there are three roles. There are management role. There are three role in that. Generic role. There are three role, and the functional role. There are 15. Total 21 different roles. So in the management, they ask project officer is from the generic role. This is a functional role. So you can straight away discard. So B is the most correct answer. 195, where should organization portfolio office ultimately report to? Corporate service function, it's a COE, program manager for program board, head P3O. So that is not the correct. Main board director is the correct answer. Let's see. Yeah, it is the correct answer. Hope you had enjoyed this session. Keep on learning. Thank you very much.